Let's talk about these North Korean dudes that, the GitLab threat intelligence team, they gave us some information about something called a contagious interview. I find it interesting. The North Korean, they're posing as recruiters to try to trick software developers out there to spread malware. In 2025 alone, GitLab, they banned over 130 accounts linked to these types of people. And they are using pretty advanced stuff. They're running a full stack of corporate operations like AI-generated personas, custom domains, automated pipelines to build professional connections in LinkedIn, you name it, these guys are doing it. And once a developer is quote unquote hired for technical assessment, they are then asked to clone a repository and run a project. Well, hidden in these dependencies is a multi-stage loader. And in over 80% of the cases, the malware is not even on GitLab. The repo contains a concealed loader. And what these things are going to be doing? Well, they're meant to steal crypto like Bitcoin and altcoins, fingerprint harvesting, getting information like your credentials, your browser history, keychains, setting up backdoors in your OS, be it Linux, Windows, Mac OS, you name it. And they are also doing this with the help of AI to help write their malware. So they're speeding things up. They're making AI is involved in everything these days. And from 2022 to 2025, they aren't just hacking. They were successfully landing legitimate remote contract work. Remember, that was a time COVID was still in full swing, or at least the end of it. There's still a lot of people working from home. And when they were getting these remote jobs, what were they doing? They're getting money, the hard currency, and sending it back home to the regime. And a beauty example here, Joey, of how far they went to take it. A North Korean operator actually submitted a ticket to GitLab. They submitted a support ticket posing as a CTO. Why? To complain that their account has been unfairly banned for malware distribution. I absolutely love this stuff. That's all I gotta say.
I think that probably one of the funnier, I mean, it's not really funny, but it's interesting. We talk a lot about North Korean hackers on the show. They're very busy over there. Yeah, there's not much going on in terms of like real economy in North Korea. So this is what they spend their time doing. Do you know, so I got some data here.